Hello everybody, welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today we're going to explore the LivePure water purifier. Now in this day and age, where waterborne diseases are increasing due to consumption of contaminated water, it has become imperative that we protect our families by ensuring that pure drinking water is available to them. And it's not enough that water looks just clean. It has to be free of disease-causing bacteria and pollutants and all traces of heavy metals. As in the case of borewell water, which is rampantly being used to bridge the dismal gap between the scanty availability of sweet water and its ever-increasing demand. Every year, India alone accounts for over 36.6 million cases of waterborne diseases. But now we can take affirmative steps to protect our families. The LivePure water purifier ensures that the water your family drinks and uses to cook is free of these disease-causing bacteria and pollutants. This purifier employs an involved 6-stage purification process using the RO plus UV plus UF purifying technology. It has established itself to be the best-in-class water storage with a capacity of 7 liters to ensure that ample amount of pure drinking water is always available. This purifier also works fast, thus ensuring that pure drinking water is available even during high consumption periods by having the best filtration capacity of 12 liters per hour. The vast water quality limits of this purifier were designed so that it effectively purifies water with even a TDS level of up to 2000 ppm. The UF membrane helps to eliminate bacteria and cysts from the water. To make sure that the purified water stays pure, the storage tank is built using food-safe, non-toxic engineering-grade ABS, keeping the storage water free from any contamination. In spite of all cutting-edge technology this purifier uses, LivePure water purifier is surprisingly easy to operate and understand. It uses an F&D display for user interface and LED indications such as power on, purification on, tank full, which makes it very simple to use. LivePure does not believe that pure water has to be tasteless, and to that end, it has fitted PepPro++ with a taste enhancer. That ensures that every time your loved ones reach out for a glass of water, it is not only pure and safe, but tasty as well. So take home the LivePure water purifier and be assured of water that nurtures and sustains life and health. Are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We assure quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products, and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a perfect buy.